Your domain reputation is not something you set once. It is something inbox providers are scoring every single time you send. Hello everyone, my name is Lucas, product and deliverability expert here at Warmy.io, and welcome to Warmy's YouTube channel. For years, senders protected their sending IP like it was the most valuable asset in their deliverability stack. That priority has flipped. Gmail now treats domain reputation as one of its most heavily weighted signals when deciding inbox versus spam, and every major mailbox provider has moved in the same direction. The reason is straightforward. An IP can be shared by hundreds of unrelated senders and swapped at any time. Your domain carries a precise, continuous record of how you send and how recipients respond. On shared infrastructure, the IP's standing is diluted across everyone on it. Your domain reputation belongs to you alone. And here's the part most senders miss. It follows you across IP changes. Moving to a fresh IP does not reset a damaged domain standing. The fix is always behavioral. To stay current on how inbox providers are evolving the signals they use to score your sending, like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because that is how this right here keeps. Domain reputation is a composite signal. 5 things determine where it lands and whether it holds. Authentication is the non-negotiable floor. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are now mandatory requirements from Google, Yahoo, and Microsoft. SPF authorizes which servers can send on your behalf. DKIM adds a cryptographic signature, verifying your message was not altered in transit. And DMARC ties both together and tells inbox providers what to do when mail fails. Start with P equals none to collect data. Then move to P equals quarantine, and then P equals reject once your automation pass rate is stable above 95%. List hygiene is the lever most senders underestimate. Hard bounces above 2% signal poor list quality. Spam complaint rates above 0.3% trigger active filtering. Google requires keeping complaints below 0.1%. Remove hard bounces after every campaign. Suppress unengaged contacts after 6 to 12 months. And never send to a purchase list. Engagement quality teaches inbox providers your mail is wanted. Emails that get opened, clicked, and replied to send positive reputation signals with every send. Segmentation by behavior and sending content that matches each segment's interest is a deliverability lever, not just a marketing preference. Subdomain isolation protects your primary domain from your highest risk sending. Marketing transactional and cold outreach carry different risk profiles. When they all leave the root domain, one bad campaign can drag down everything else. So separate the streams, authenticate each independently, and warm each subdomain before it touches volume. Warm up is not a one-time step. A new domain starts with no history, and inbox providers treat it as unknown. The ramp is 4 to 8 weeks of gradual volume increases, starting with your most engaged recipients. Reputation also decays when you go quiet, so consistent activity is what holds your standing over time. Every layer covered in this video requires something in common: continuous monitoring and consistent execution over time. Authentication needs to be verified before every major send. List hygiene needs to run after every campaign. Warm-up needs to keep running even after domain is established. Most deliverability problems do not announce themselves. They show up in open rate data weeks after the damage is already done. And that gap between when something breaks and when you notice, it's exactly where Warmy operates. Warmy's AI warm-up builds the sending history inbox providers use to decide whether your domain belongs in the inbox by generating genuine engagement signals that protect placement as you scale. The free deliverability test gives you a real-time read across Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo, inbox versus spam placement, blacklist status, and authentication health before a single campaign goes out. The Domain Health Hub monitors your reputation continuously, so a slip surfaces in your dashboard before it costs you a cent. The free SPF and DMARC generators produce correctly formatted records without manual configuration errors. If you want to see exactly where your domain stands right now before your next send, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. That way you stay ahead of every deliverability change that affects how inbox providers score your sending. Feel free to take a look in the description below to more details. And thank you so much for watching so far. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.